I am going to unbox and try this Pro Hot airbrush that I bought in Lazada, mga marts. So before anything else, let's play the unboxing first. Let's open this box. But it's really, mga marts. I bought again. Dami ko ng mga ganito. Anyways, puro Lazada pala ang ngayon. I bought these things in Lazada only this time. Part of bubble wrap. Okay. Alright. Oh, mga marts! You know what this is? Oh, diba? Another hair styler. So, ayan siya, mga marts. Last time, I bought the mermaid curler. Today, I bought this. Ito siya, mga marts. Okay, so it's a hair dryer, hair blower, and hair styler in one. So let us open it, mga marts. So here it is. So we have this one here for drying your hair. Okay, and for styling it, we have a round brush, and another is just plain brush. So let us try it, mga marts. Let's see if this one works. Okay, so let me just show you the main tool, or the main body of this blower, right? So it's in violet. I like the color, mga marts. Okay, so let me just plug it on. The wire is also long. Okay, so let us try this one first. You don't need to have a instruction. It's really easy. Oh, dito talaga siya. Works. Let me. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Okay. Oh my god. Hindi ko na matandaan ko. Try the round one. Okay, so. Okay, let's go. There it goes. Oops. Okay. Alright, so let's try. nahihirapan ako sa bilog. Let me try the brush. So, if you already blow dried your hair and it's already damp, you can use the brush, okay, to style it. Come on, where to? Okay, and then, alright. Applying this part. Did you notice something, mga Mardz? I noticed something. I noticed something on my hair. It's fine. Notice it, mga Mardz, my hair shines. Kumintab siya. Wow. Ganda. Let me just finish it. Ang kumintab niya. Like it. Oh, wow. And my hair is so soft. Now. This is oh wow. You just have to learn how to use this one, mga Mardz. Parang nag-parlor. Wow, love it. I'm loving this one. Wow. Good. Wow. Meron kasi nandun sa likod. It has 3. I like it, mga Mardz. Gusto ko siya. And this one cost only 586. Wow. Okay, we have a blower and we already also have a styler, mga Mardz. I already have lots of hair styling tools. But of course, all have different, of course, they're not the same. I have a hair straightener. I also have a curler, which the hair straightener can do it, but you know, the mermaid curls, well, you can do it on a hair straightener, but it's really hard. Okay, we already have a hair blower. I hope this one will last. Alright, so if you're looking for a hair dryer or hair blower and a hair styling in one, you can buy this in Lazada, mga Mardz. I hope you like the product, mga Mardz. Please don't forget to click that like button and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. This has been Ryce DG. I will see you again on my next one. Bye!
It was